Hey guys, this is Zippo Rebel 79 here, and today I'm going to show y'all how to replace flints in your Zippo. Some of y'all might know how, but in case you don't, here it is. All you'll need for this is your Zippo and spare flints, preferably Zippo brand. Okay, first take your case out, or your insert out of the case, and you unscrew that screw. You can use the top of your case or a screwdriver, but you have the case handy. Unscrew that. And you have your spring, and that's not the flint, that's a follower, so don't pull that off. Just leave that alone. Your flint, if you have any flint left, you'll need to pull it out. I got flint left, so I'm not going to replace it. If your flint is gone, it will not spark, so that's how you can tell if you got flint left or not. If the wheel's jammed, your flint, you probably do have a piece of flint in there, but it's probably too short. It probably turned sideways in that tube and got jammed up, so you'll have to pick that out with, I don't know, a toothpick or maybe a knife. I've never had the problem though. So, okay, so you put your new flint in, just put it back in that tube. This is the pain. Screw this back in. I'm looking at all this through the camera, by the way, so if it looks a little clumsy, that's why. Tighten it. There we go. And if needed, you can always, refuel. There you go. If it does jam, you might need to pop it back out and try maybe seating it different. Because shake it, get it seated. Put that back on. Okay, yeah. Let's see. There we go, we got spark. So, put your insert back in the case the right way. And there you go. Rate, subscribe, and thanks for watching.